Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the autofill address in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. This is your main menu icon. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of your browser, including autofill preferences and other personalization options. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left sidebar of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically that organize different browser features. Click on autofill and passwords. This section contains all the settings related to saved information that Brave can automatically fill in for you, making your browsing experience faster and more convenient when you're shopping online or filling out forms. Now click on Addresses and More. This is where Brave stores all the address information you've previously saved, and it's also where you can add new addresses or edit existing ones. Having your address information saved here means you won't have to manually type it out every time you're checking out on a website or filling in shipping details. Next, look for the Addresses section. Right beside it, you'll see an Add button. Click on this button to start entering a new address into your browser. This opens up a form where you can input all the necessary details that websites typically ask for during checkout or registration processes. The first thing you'll need to do is select your country by clicking the drop-down menu. This is important because it determines which fields will be relevant for your address format, as different countries have different address structures. Choose the country where your address is located from the list that appears. After selecting your country, you'll see several designated fields where you can enter your credentials. Start filling in your information, including your name, organization if applicable, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and email. Take your time to make sure all the information is accurate, as this will be the data Brave uses to autofill forms across different websites. Double check for any typos, especially in your email and phone number, since these are often used for important communications and order confirmations. Once you've entered all your information and verified that everything looks correct, click the Save button. This stores your new address in Brave's autofill system, making it available for quick and easy form filling whenever you need it. And that's it, you've successfully added a new autofill address in Brave browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.